Subscribe my channel Education Zone by Ramashish.
स्वागतं 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 कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों में Congratulations everyone for Teachers Day. We have gathered to celebrate the Teachers Day as we know that it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He dedicated his life to education and throughout his life served people when he was student and he dreamed to celebrate his birthday. His simple life is world we proud as. छोड़ चले कृष्णन की सखी सहार छोड़ चले कृष्णन की सखी सहार जब राधे कृष्णन को जन्म हुआ था जब राधे कृष्णन को जन्म हुआ था सारे दुनिया में हंसने लगे थे सारे दुनिया में हंसने लगे कृष्णन हमारे आँखों की तारे छोड़ चले कृष्णन की सखी सहार here to celebrate the Teachers Day. First of all, I would like to thank who teaches me how to live and how to behave with others. As you know that it is the Teachers Day. The Teachers Day is celebrated on the 5th September. It is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was was a great scholar, teachers, coming guardians, teachers, and my dear senior and juniors. I am Srishti Kumari from class 8. I want to present a song. शिक्षा हो मन में तो धन मिले अपार, शिक्षा हो मन में तो धन मिले अपार, पढ़ाई भी क्या चीज होती है यार, पढ़ाई भी क्या चीज होती है यार, पढ़ाई। We have gathered to celebrate the Teachers' Day, as we know that it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and second President of India from 1962 to 1967. He dedicated his life to
शिक्षा ही एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे सभी समस्याओं का समाधान होता है, चाहे गरीबी हो, चाहे दहेज प्रथा हो, चाहे जो भी समस्या हो, शिक्षा के माध्यम से समाधान किया जा सकता है। इस प्रकार से शिक्षा
student of class 6. I am Krishi, student of class 6. It is Teachers' Day. Today, the Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Every year, as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, he was a great man. I study in Sami Coaching Center, Lakhia. It was difficult for Radhakrishnan. First of all, I would like to. Once his pupils asked him to celebrate his birthday, he simply said, instead of my birthday celebrated as the Teacher's Day, it would be proud, so it is celebrated on the Teacher's Day. On this he is remembered and the teachers are awarded by the students. आज मैं अतिथि और मेरे प्रिय बड़े भैया और दीदी, आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। जैसा आप सभी जानते हैं, आज 5 सितंबर है और 5 सितंबर 1888 को सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्म हुआ था। वे बहुत बड़े विद्वान शिक्षक तथा भारत के द्वितीय राष्ट्रपति भी 1962 से 1967 तक रहे। वे संपूर्ण जीवन लोगों की सेवा करने में बिता दिया। गुरु का स्थान प्रभु सम है, आओ मिलकर इन्हें नमन करे। गुरु का स्थान प्रभु सम है, आओ मिलकर इन्हें नमन करे, आओ मिलकर इन्हें नमन करे, आओ मिलकर इन्हें नमन करे। जो सत्य की राह चलाता है, सिख जगीन पर हम भजन करे। जो सत्य की राह चलाता है, सिख जगीन पर हम भजन करे। श्री राधा कृष्ण ने गुमनानी के अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, गुमनानी के अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, दुनिया ने गम से हमें अनजान ना दिया। गुरु की ऐसी कृपा हुई मुझ पर, गुरु ने हमें एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया, गुरु ने हमें एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया। जिंदगी में मुश्किलों से भागना आसान होता है, जिंदगी में मुश्किलों से भागना आसान होता है। जिंदगी का हर पहलू इम्तिहान होता है, बिना कुछ मेहनत किए जिंदगी में मिलता कुछ नहीं। लड़ने वालों को कदमों में जहान होता है, डरने वालों को कदमों में जहान होता है। जीवन जितना करता है माँ बाप के प्यार से, उतना ही महकता है गुरु के आशीर्वाद से, उतना ही महकता है गुरु के आशीर्वाद से। माँ बाप के Teachers' Day today. I am Prashant Ranjan, a student of class 5. The Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th September in the year because Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born 5th September 1888 at Tirutanu village in Tamil Nadu. He was great scholar, teacher and vice president. We have gathered to celebrate the Teachers' Day, as we know that it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and second President of India from 1962 to 1967. He dedicated dedicated his life to serve. The light of the world, they became in the dark, the hope that gives us strength to survive in our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to gift the honor soul who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On the beautiful occasion, today we celebrate Teachers' Day. Let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes in all the teachers who have given incredible contribution in shaping us. Every year we Tamil Nadu. He was a great scholar, teacher, and vice president and second president India from 1962 to 1967 asked by students. I am Kumari Preeti Raj and students of class 6 and I study in Sami Coaching Center, Lakhia. The Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th September every year because Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirupani village in Tamil Nadu. He was a great scholar, teacher and vice president and second president. He was a great scholar, teacher and vice president and second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was asked by students to celebrate it. His birthday, he simply replied that the Teachers' Day as his birthday would be celebrated Teachers' Day. So it is the Teachers' Day as the Teachers' Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
चले